Every year, migratory birds make their epic journey across south in the autumn, north in early spring. They have been flying here for thousands of years, but recently there have been fewer in our skies. Some species have even vanished entirely. Why? I have been sharing this magical experience with anyone wishing to see these wonders. But I can't bear standing by and watching these birds disappear. What could be discouraging them from flying over our lands? The expanding towns? The disappearing meadowland? Are there any other reasons? I want to understand and act. I want to do everything I can to help these birds continue their seasonal pilgrimages.